So today I got Osmo Action 3 from DJI. Just arrived in the mail and I'm just finished charging. So I'm out now testing it against GoPro 10. With a new magnet quick release system they introduced with Action 2. It is really easy to mount and demount the camera. You don't need a cage, but with a cage you can also flip the camera to vertical position. So you can post videos for Reels, TikTok, yeah, whatever. I just took it off, and underneath here you can see the magnet. So I just, and it stays put. Like this. So now I'm gonna try to record vertical. And now we're gonna test the stabilization with the GoPro 10, Osmo Action and Osmo Action 3. I was actually planning to make a comparison between the Osmo Action 3, GoPro 10 and the old Osmo Action. But we all know that the old Osmo Action is not really sharp. So we will try this. I don't know the distance for closest focusing, but I'm now at like 30 centimeter, like almost a foot from the ground. So we will see. And I'm handling both of the cameras, so it could be a little bit shaky, but I think the stabilization should take care of it. With the action camera, it's the distance that counts. So we'll see this tree and the yellow tree over there, the yellow leaves. Now I recorded with Osmo Action 3, and I really love how fast it is to just put it on and take it off with a magnet system. About microphone, can you use the Sonova adapter with this one? Yes, they say, so we're gonna test it out. I actually had to take off the side door, but it's up, no problem. And what I was most curious about is actually if you can hear me now. Testing 1, 2, 3. So this is the sound from the Gopro. I use a media mod for the Gopro. And now it's the sound from Sonova adapter with a lav mic. So if it's working, I don't know. I tried to flip it, but it's only fit in one direction, so it's probably working. This is a test with a slow motion. 4K at 120 on each. And this is ultra wide. This is wide. Maybe I use this one. But I like D-warp probably best. And this is D-warp. This is probably what I will be using most of the time. Really big difference from ultra wide. Now I'm gonna test to drive with 4K at 60 in 4:3 ratio, not by 16:9 ratio. And rocksteady, it's still working with 4.3. It didn't do it with all the Osmo Action. So we will see how it looks like.